Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining us today. Before I left the house to come here, sabi po ng asawa ko, please say hi, send my warm regards to everybody in Cavite. The last time he was here, yata yung Paeng, di ba? Yung typhoon. And he's happy to know that yung smog wala na. We were here since Thursday last week, and I'm happy to know that in those days we went to the municipalities of Carmona, Dasmariñas, and Silang. Today we're servicing 1,500 patients and give them rice and free medical assistance. This will not be possible without all our private donors and of course, government agencies. So yung Lab for All po, gusto ho ng asawa ko is to bring services closer to the people and not the other way around. Kaya po nandito si Chet para magbigay ng mga scholarship, PA to give seeds for AGRI, DOH, DSWD, at PhilHealth, TESTA, at iba pa. Today, I'm particularly happy because two more agencies joined us. Yung National Housing Authority to give free houses daw, NACS. And Department of Migrant Workers, meron daw silang trade fair for jobs. So thank you very much. So aside from the services that the private and public sector provided today, we're going to give a Lab for All mobile van, medical mobile van from the National Grid Corporation. Before I close, I just want to thank everyone for your hard work and support, for coming here, sweating, and helping the people of Cavite. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sama-sama tayo, babagon muli para sa bagong Pilipinas.